Hello everybody, this is the first 2025 case unboxing of a very good set, one that brought a lot of nostalgia and excitement since it was leaked, part of the Fast and Furious universe. It's the Brian O'Connor Hot Wheels Silver series, and it might be the first time we see the same casting with two different color variations in the same set, other than chases of course in the car culture segment. I am excited about this set, so let's unbox this case, one with 24 cars inside, like you are used to by now on my channel. Number 1 of the set, featuring the first Fast and Furious, Mitsubishi Eclipse, appearing in the first scene of the movie, where we see Brian O'Connor trying to race it and failing. All the cars in this set have been used before, in different other Fast and Furious sets, premium or basic, but they definitely bring out nostalgia in all of us each time we see them. It has the same Arizona license plate, the same liveries, carbon hood, color and everything. It's the movie that started all, and we remember, it was great. Has been used other 5 times before, so you probably have it in another set, and only 2 other versions are in different colors. A Car Culture 2-pack in 2023 and the Neon Speeders last year, one that we have seen on this channel with such cool colors on it, and of course, one that lights up under UV light. Outside the movies, this is a sport compact model, a very known JDM car, seen in other races, movies, throughout our culture, and it spawned 4 generations. Probably not a model that's trending right now, but I don't know too many people that would dislike this Eclipse. Number 2 of the set, also featuring the first Fast and Furious movie, the Toyota Supra, appearing in the scene where Brian and Dom are racing the black Ferrari F355 convertible. If the Eclipse was iconic, this Supra, which is the Mark IV, is legendary. We loved it in the movies, and we definitely do it as a Hot Wheels diecast car. The Toyota Supra is an auto fire, being released in some highly collectible variations in the last years, with 2 of them in this set alone. Number 5 of the set, in white, is featuring Fast and Furious 7. This is the most emotional scene as it represents the goodbye for Brian O'Connor, played by Paul Walker. We all know what happened, that's why this scene strikes so hard, the reason why this set needed this version of the Supra. Both castings look amazing, everything on them is exactly how they appeared in the movies. Have been released many times before, so probably most of you have them, but being in the same set makes them extra special. I have a few variations, including the ones scalpers hoard them in the stores around here, but from what I saw, most collectors found them, and that's always nice to hear. There is one variation where you guys weren't happy about at all, and I agree with all of you. In 2023, Hot Wheels released this premium Supra, part of Mix 4 of that year, and as you can see it wears the theme of the Skyline GTR, also part of this set, and yeah, as I said, collectors were not happy. I remember everyone talking about it on social media, Instagram, videos on YouTube, and a lot of negativity surrounding it. In Mix 1, they used the Skyline with the Supra theme, and that move was also seen as a negative thing. The most known car in JDM culture, this Supra is another sports car produced since 1978, just 10 years after the first Hot Wheels car was produced. If I had to pick one variation, I would probably pick the white one, but both look amazing. I remember both of them in the movies, both hit me with nostalgia, and I'm very happy to add this set to my collection. If we did mention scalpers earlier, well, they would definitely be after this white version, White Angel as it is called. I know I would definitely want a white premium version of it like the one we had in 2021. I could talk about this Hot Wheels version of the Supra for hours, but one last thing to mention, the Super Treasure Hunt version it had in 2015, where it goes for some high prices on eBay right now. Number 3 of the set, featuring Too Fast, Too Furious movie, Nissan Skyline GT-R. Appearing in the first scene of the movie, the race between Julius' Mazda RX-7, Slapjack's Toyota Supra, and Suki's Honda S2000, alongside Brian's Skyline. Such an iconic scene, legendary car, so you understand why collectors were upset when Hot Wheels decided to change the themes of the cars. The oldest car in today's set, one that has the most color variations released, the only one not actually being released in a Fast and Furious themed set. JDM culture was strong in the 2000s, was strong in the movies, and it still is strong in the Hot Wheels sets today. This is the 10th re-release of it, and all of you have at least one other version in your collection, probably even the Super Treasure Hunt 2019, that go for even bigger prices on eBay, so you're lucky if you own it. Outside the movies, this is a sports car that was very successful in Japanese touring race events, produced until the 5th generation in 2002. It has suffered a retool in 2014, where the back spoiler was cast into the body, not being a separate piece anymore. We have seen it on this channel before in the last year's Pop Culture Mix 3 featuring Gran Turismo 7. Number 4 of the set, featuring Fast and Furious 6 movie, Ford Escort RS 1600. Appearing in the crazy convoy scene on the bridge, where Dom and Brian are racing, or better said, fighting a tank. Another iconic scene, of course unrealistic in every way, but very enjoyable to watch. Released in 2015, this version of the Escort has many releases in the mainlines, with the Super Treasure Hunt 2018 and the Collector's Edition last year among the most important ones, not that expensive if we check the prices. The Silver Series logo on the card has also changed, compared to the last year one. I have one other version of the Escort in my collection, a very fun one, so not to be confused with the RS 2000 version like the one from previous year, that has also been a Super Treasure Hunt, the one from Case A. This Ford is looking very good with all the details from the movie, cool wheels, probably the blue base being accurate as well. The artwork on the cards is also really nice, although the same on all 5. I am happy, this set definitely made me happy. I talked about repeats in the Fast and Furious sets being made too many, Hot Wheels milking the franchise, but this time this set is the perfect combo of classic cars from the movies, and I doubt we will have too many upset collectors. Let me know if you add this set to your collection, although I am sure you will. Subscribe to see more case unboxing videos in the future, like or dislike the video, have fun and enjoy the rest of your day.